So lately I've been finding the stock for the Telstra T84 or ZTE T84 Tough Max has been drying up. As of late I haven't been able to find the screen or screen and assembly versions. So I've been forced to manufacture my own. So I've been able to get my hands on a few remaining T84 LCD panels. As you see here, I've disassembled the phone and currently cleaning up all the adhesive that's left on over. And then from here, I'm going to use some B7000. No real particular reason why I'm using the 7000 over the other versions that are available. More so that this is just the biggest tube that I've got, so I might as well use it. So I do have to be a bit cautious using the glue up near the front facing sensors and around the speaker. So I'll just liberally apply it all around it. The next plan of attack is threading through the flex cables and leaving it on the heat pad for quite a while. So if you do have a few broken ones of these, you can still do it the alternative way, which is using the LCD panel and reusing your existing frame, but that would also depend on stock that's out there. So the last T84 screens I purchased, it took quite a few messages on AliExpress to finally get an okay quantity. So these screens are definitely drying up. But yeah, here's another method to potentially repair your screen. Catch you later.